Alright, so this video is just going to be kind of a brief overview of how you can hopefully extract the maximum amount of value from the contents on this channel. So I'm just going to be going over some of the, I guess the key components of whatever your goals happen to be for stumbling on this channel, for whatever reason you're viewing these videos or why you subscribed. It's my hope that I can kind of point you to certain resources that exist on this channel and that you can take advantage of them to further your own goals and to improve in whatever area of software development, programming, coding, whatever led you to stumble on this channel. So just want to point out that if you go to my channel, you can view everything organized in terms of playlists. So I've tried to organize things to be as streamlined as possible. So if you're into web scraping and automation, this is kind of a subject that I intend to make many more videos about. You can see this sub playlist of this topic here for a specific technology based on this topic. So for instance, there's a bunch of videos on RoboBrowser, or two videos on RoboBrowser for the moment, Selenium, PyAuto GUI, Scrapey. So these are just Python modules and libraries that will allow you to scrape information from the web to automate certain things, and it's an area that I really enjoy just kind of coding toy projects in, and it's something I really enjoy sharing. So if there's a specific part of this that anyone would like to see, please do let me know in the comment section, but this is what exists at the moment. I'm doing a series on the Go programming language, which is also ongoing, so it's just going over the very basics of the language. If you're preparing for an interview, hopefully some of this content will also be helpful to you. So if you want to brush up on your algorithms, data structures, or technical interview problems, I should also say that this is also hopefully applicable to people going through various computer science courses. If you're either getting your start, or if you just want to kind of review some of the fundamentals and basics, then hopefully some of these playlists can be helpful to you in attempting to implement some of these data structures and various tasks that you can use with these data structures. So each of these playlists are expanded upon here below. So the data structures, I've got videos on arrays, singly linked lists, circular linked lists, double linked lists, and stacks. So this is an ever-growing list of videos that I hope to expand upon. Currently working on various forms of trees, and I'll continue to expand on these playlists that exist as well. I also have an algorithms playlist as well, expanding on this one up here. So algorithms for string processing, recursion, sorting, searching, and greedy algorithms as well. Again, an ever-growing list of things here. I intend to get to dynamic programming and other types of algorithms as well, which will hopefully populate this playlist eventually. So that's kind of it for playlists. Now, if you do stumble on any of these videos, you probably hear me say at the end that all of the code is available on my GitHub link, and I've tried to kind of make this repository of all of the code for each of the videos as comprehensive as possible. So for instance, if you go to any of these playlists here, the algorithms playlist, well, there's an algorithms folder over here, and that's also subdivided into subfolders that contains all of the code for each of the videos. So hopefully this is organized in a somewhat coherent manner. So each of these, I guess, are general topics, and each of the subfolders or subcontents of these folders are the code that correspond to the videos. So hopefully that's helpful. I've also started to kind of index the contents of each of these things on this page, on this README. So if you're curious about what any of these pieces of code correspond to, if you stumble on the code, for instance, on these folders, you can click on the link, and that will open up the YouTube video that corresponds to that problem. So it's still kind of a work in progress. There's quite a bit of it cataloged already, but there's still quite a bit of empty space, which I will fill out eventually. So that's pretty much it for the GitHub link, which again, hopefully if you want, go ahead and give it a star, watch it, or if you want to modify this in any way, if you want to go ahead and improve on the code or even write solutions for other languages, by all means, give the project a fork and just have at it. Do whatever fun things you want to do with the contents that exist up on here already. I guess the final thing I want to point out is that some of the videos on my channel have corresponding blog posts, namely the natural language processing posts are also up here, so you can access all of them here as well. There's a lot of other hopefully useful posts that exist that have corresponding videos on my channel. Some of them are a little bit I suppose some of them don't have anything to do with my channel. Some of them might also be of interest, though, to people who stumble on my channel. For instance, there's some blog posts on TensorFlow, some data science-y kind of stuff, and then some other things that might be of interest. So if you think that that's kind of up your alley, by all means, give this a look as well. This is just generally my website. It's just my personal page, so there's not much really on this website, but the blog post might be particularly of interest to anyone who hopefully finds value in this channel. So that's really all I wanted to mention. I just kind of wanted to give an overview if you have stumbled on this channel and if you want to try to, I guess, benefit as much as you can from the contents, from the stuff that already exists on this channel. Hopefully this will help you to streamline that process. If there's anything, suggestions or comments or anything of the sort, I do take those to heart. So please don't hesitate to comment below about any suggestions or things that you would like to see. And that pretty much does it for this video. So I might just leave this kind of as the trailer for the channel, just because maybe that's a little bit helpful for newcomers. Again, that's all I have for this video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.